Welcome back, children, to one of the interesting topics, that is banking. We are dealing with the topic the fish tail, and this is 11th day, and here we are going to discuss more about what is loan, interest, and what do you mean by installments. Loan is the money which is lent by someone or by some bank. It is given in exchange of future repayment. It is the money lent or taken on loan, and it is called as principal amount. So, for example, I need some money to purchase a television, and I borrow, say, a sum of 40,000 rupees from the bank. So, this money or sum which I borrow from the bank, that is called as loan. But it is in exchange of the future repayment. Whatever money I have taken from the bank, I have to repay it back. Okay. This loan is taken or it is given on repayment of the principal amount along with some additional charge which is called interest. So suppose I am taking 40,000 rupees from the bank. I will have to repay or refund some amount more than 40,000. So maybe 42,000 I have to pay back to the bank. So whatever extra money which I am paying apart from the principal amount, the money which I had taken from the bank, that is 40,000, that is called as the loan amount, that is called as principal amount. And the additional 2,000 rupees which I am paying back along with this 40,000, that additional 2,000 rupees will be called as the interest. So let us know more about these terminology. Principal amount is the money taken on loan or money lent. So either I lend money to someone. Okay, so that money lent is also called as principal amount, or suppose I want money from someone, or if I borrow it from a bank, that amount is called as principal amount. What is interest? The interest is the additional money paid back along with the principal amount. Okay, or taken back along with the principal amount. Either it is paid back if you have taken the money, or if someone has taken from you, you take back that extra money, additional money along with the principal amount. So whatever extra money you are taking, that is called as interest, or whatever extra money you are going to pay to the bank is called as interest. Now let us move on to the next terminology, that is installment. An installment is a regular and fixed money paid back for repayment of the principal amount plus interest. So whenever we are taking, for example, I said I took 40,000 from a bank and I am paying back 42,000 to the bank after some said period of time. This 42,000 will be divided into some small installments. Maybe if I am paying back in 6 installments. So this 42,000 will be divided by 6, and every month that much amount will be repaid to the bank. This monthly payment or payment at a regular interval. It may be payment in 3 months or payment regular monthly payment, or it can be half yearly payment. This is called an installment. Let us look into these definitions further through some examples. In example 1, we see here, Arun takes a loan of rupees 35,000 from a bank to purchase a television. He pays back rupees 36,000 to the bank by returning rupees 3,000 monthly for 12 months. See here. What is the money he took from the bank? That is 35,000 becomes the principal amount. And how much money he is paying back in total to the bank? That is called amount paid back or sum. It is simply called as amount or a sum paid back. So that will be 36,000. How much extra did he pay? So 36,000 minus 35,000 is called the interest. So interest will be amount paid back minus the principal amount. So amount paid back was 36,000. The principal amount is 35,000. You subtract 35,000 from 36,000. The answer is 1,000 rupees. So interest paid by him is 1,000 rupees. And the installment, see here, he is returning this 36,000 in 12 monthly installments of rupees 3,000. He is paying every month, he is paying 3,000. So 12 into 3 makes 36, and these three zeros added 36,000. So in 12 months, by paying monthly 3,000, he is paying a total money of 36,000 rupees. So installment or the monthly installment is rupees 3,000 here. Let us understand it through some more example. We'll take this example. Example 2. Anandi takes a loan of rupees 32,000 from Meenkar Bank to purchase a fish dryer. So Anandi is dealing with fish. She is purchasing a fish dryer. She'll dry the fish and then she'll sell it. Okay. So to buy a fish drying machine, she has taken a loan of rupees 32,000 from a Meenkar Bank. Meenkars are the people who are, fish, who catch fish and sell fish. Okay, so they have a cooperative bank called as Meenkar Bank. From there, Anandi is taking a loan of 32,000 and she pays back rupees 36,000 to the bank in 12 months. You have to calculate interest and her monthly installment which is going to pay every month. The principal amount here is the loan taken by her. Yes, that is 32,000, and the amount paid back by her, total amount paid back by her, that is called the amount which will be equal to 36,000. So interest will be amount paid back minus the principal amount. Interest is amount paid back minus principal amount. So amount paid back by her is 36,000 minus principal amount is 32,000. 36 minus 32 makes 4 and 3 zeros repeat. So the answer is 4,000 is the interest paid by her. Now to compute installment, monthly installment. Monthly installment is given by the formula total amount paid back divided by time. Okay, so she is paying in 12 months. This is the time. 12 months is the time given. So we will divide 36,000, the amount paid back, that is 36,000, by the time, that is 12 months. 36,000 by 12, that makes rupees 3,000. So hint is given. You have to divide 36,000 by 12. 12 3's makes 36. So 3 here, followed by these 3 zeros. Is it clear? Let us look into one more example here. Gracie takes a loan of rupees 21,000 from a bank to buy a fishing net. She pays back a sum of rupees 24,000 in 12 months. Now you have to calculate interest and monthly installment. Now principal amount will become the loan taken by her, that is 21,000. and the amount she is paying back is 24,000. Amount paid back is 24,000. So interest becomes amount paid back minus principal amount, that is 24,000 minus 21,000. So if you subtract, you are getting 3,000. So interest will be 24,000 minus 21,000, that is 3,000. And what will be the monthly installment? Monthly installment is given by the amount paid back. See here, amount paid back, that is 24,000 divided by the time, 12 months, 12 monthly installments. So time is 12 months. So time becomes 12 months. So 24,000 divided by 12. So if you divide 24 by 12, 12 2's are 24. 12 2's are 24 and followed by 3 zeros. So 2 followed by 3 zeros becomes 2,000 rupees. So this is how you have to solve the sums. Now these are some exercise questions for you. Partha takes a loan of rupees 57,000 to purchase a oil pressing machine. A oil pressing machine is a machine in which you put the nuts or the oil seeds and it presses it to take out its oil. So for installing the machine, he is taking rupees 57,000 as a loan. So what is his principal amount? Yes, 57,000. He pays back a sum of rupees 60,000. So amount paid back would be rupees 60,000. And what is the time? 15 monthly installments. So he is giving or paying back in 15 monthly installment. Time will become 15. And how would you calculate interest? Interest is amount paid back minus principal amount. So amount paid back is 60,000 minus 57. 60 minus 57 is 3 and followed by 3 zeros. So interest will become 3,000. And monthly installment would be amount paid back, the total amount paid back, money paid back or sum paid back, 60,000 divided by 15. 60 divided by 15 makes 4. 15 4s are 60. So 4 followed by these 3 zeros. So answer is 4,000 or rupees 4,000 becomes the monthly installment. So you have to solve this sum, and another sum is given for you. Preetham takes a loan of rupees 75,000 to purchase a oil pressing machine. Okay, this is better version maybe. He pays back a sum of rupees 84,000 in 21 monthly installments. So you have to compute interest as well as monthly installment based on the above guiding lines given. So okay, principal amount here is 75,000. The amount paid back is 84,000. The interest will be 84,000 minus 75,000 makes 9,000. And so interest is 84,000 minus 75,000, that is 9,000. And monthly installment, see, time is 21 months and the amount paid back is 84,000. 84,000 divided by 21. So 21 1s are 21, 21 2s are 42, 21 3s are 63 and 21 4s are makes 84. So 4 followed by 3 zeros. So 4,000 would be the monthly installment. So children, these two sums are given to you for you to solve, and let us meet tomorrow with yet another new topic. Thank you children.